Good morning. We've gone through this before and we shall overcome. Three blasts in quick succession have indeed rattled the financial compass this hub. Nifty futures in Singapore are pointing to a slightly lower start. History suggests that the Indian markets have always shown resilience in the face of such dastardly attacks. So expect some recovery later in the day. What is also encouraging is that FIs resumed their buying binge on Wednesday after a one-day breather. Monsoons have also gathered momentum after a brief lull in late June. Talking of macro, inflation data for June will be released today. It is likely to show a spike due to fuel price hike. The RBI's next meet is on July 26. TCS and Bajaj Auto results are other important events to keep in mind. Since the Nifty has failed to pierce the 200 DMA, that level becomes crucial from short-term perspective. However, there may be few hiccups along the way. US stock futures and dollar are down after Moody's warned that it may cut US government's AAA bond rating due to rising risk of default. Asian stocks are in the red. Earlier, US stocks rose on the prospect that the Fed policy makers will take more steps to stimulate world's largest economy. Fed Chief Ben Bernanke has reiterated that further economic stimulus may still be considered if conditions deteriorate. US President Barack Obama is reportedly considering summoning congressional leadership to Camp David this weekend to work on a plan to raise debt ceiling after yesterday's negotiation on a deficit cutting plan of at least $2 trillion stalled. The dollar index is down for second day in a row. Oil is trading near a 4-day high in New York. Commodities rose to a 4-week high after the Fed chairman Bernanke indicated he may provide more economic stimulus. European shares rose on Wednesday after falling in the previous 3 days. FIs were net buyers of Rs 3.16 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutions were net sellers at Rs 3.68 billion on the same day. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net buyers at Rs 2.69 billion. Foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 9.17 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday, according to the SEBI website. Mutual funds were net sellers at Rs 441 million on the same day. Moving on to recommendations, our technical calls for the day are: we advise buying ASR oil in the range of Rs 124 to Rs 125 with a stop loss of Rs 122.5 and a target price of Rs 130. We recommend high-risk traders to buy IOB above Rs 143 for a target of Rs 150 and maximum loss placed at Rs 140. Our derivative strategy for the day are: long Biocon July futures in the range of Rs 359 to Rs 361 with a target price of Rs 369 and a stop loss placed at Rs 356. Long Escorts July future in the range of Rs 105 to Rs 106 with a target price of Rs 111 and a stop loss placed at Rs 103. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.